Hi guys, it's me Joseph, and today I have a challenge before I get into today's video. So, today's challenge is, if you've ever been born before, smash that like button. Anyway, today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Algicosathlon scoreboard. Firstly, the first person that got it made by KH. Bruh. Still coronavirus. Why do I have to do this? Why do I have to say this? Coronavirus. Okay, so first,
if she's trying to tell us something, though,
just
what is
go.
it she's trying to say? I don't get it.
Just type in Algicosathlon, paste the bin. Now I choose new Algicosathlon leaderboard. Then you have to select this, copy, then download processing, which I already did. And then right click on your mouse and boom.
I don't know if the idea of Cynthia giving us a
if you're on an iPad, you're just gonna have to type it.
But she's gone again.
Because you're gonna have to afford a computer or a laptop to just copy and paste stuff. So anyways, you see this? So yeah, first a problem. You see these two fonts? Font and font 2? I haven't selected them yet. So I'm just trying to see which one I want. I'll do consoleless. And I prefer the size 48.
CBE. There's a lot of words that can be start with BE, and we definitely need a vowel. Let's just do E for electricity. Sounds good to me.
Consoleless. Bold, italic, 48.bow. After that, you can just
Cynthia, it's so weird to call her by a name. Cynthia
change some numbers around. So, do you see this? Start. That's the section where you're adding. That's the section where the athlete starts with. So, for example,
where the doll is right now. So as you can
change some numbers around.
The camera showing the doll right now, and we're gonna just watch it, and we're gonna see if the doll moves
pretty
at
cool.
all.
Okay, guys.
How are you doing, guys? Okay. You getting a little scared, or are you guys okay?
And I press Control Shift R, and voila! You see, I changed some numbers around. But the one most important to me is changing the colors. So go to RGB, go to line 10.
I do hear it.
So you see 120,255. That's blue.
What?
Put the 120 into 0. And voila!
Guys, I still hear water.
Blue.
It's coming from my room. Come on.
And you see 30,145. Change the 30 into 0. And change the 145 into 100. Oh. Could you even hear me through my microphone there? Okay. So basically what you need to do next is you see this 100 and you see we changed a few colors around. Now you can change names around. For example, I could change Green's name to Slash. Okay, and let's see what happens. His name is Slash now. And that was pretty cool. So Slash is not a contestant, no. And okay, so Toad is to add combined together. So for people.
Wait, what are you talking about? We got a letter attached to Cynthia, and she was made by the doll maker, and he named her, and he says that she's going to be here, and she has a special purpose, and apparently the doll maker has made other dolls that are somewhere else.
And you can see that this happens first, but then, it's moving.
Are you guys hallucinating? There's nothing there.
And that's pretty fun. And now the sequel you've all been waiting for. How to add more athletes onto your scoreboard.
To find Cynthia so we can get the next clue to her message.
So first, go to start, then comma 0, comma 0. Same thing to add, comma 0, comma 0.
You're eating food.
I'm doing it. So next, you just do comma, quote, right, quote, comma, quote, BLACK, quote, and yep, that's it. And next, go to line 5
What in the world is she
and line 4.
What is that?
Type 16 and 17 next to 15. Okay. In line 6 to 8, you're gonna have to type false 2 more times. Then after that, you have to add the RGB codes. White is 255, comma 255, comma 255.
This doll stuff is really weird.
And black is 20, comma 20, comma 20.
We're just waiting in the living room, letting Cynthia, I guess, move. It's so weird to
Then
say that, we don't want to be around her.
17
She disappears. So we're waiting
and
here,
18.
and then in a minute I'm going to send somebody to go check on Cynthia.
Now, you might think that you've done it, but no, you haven't. You're going to have to edit the code a little bit. But wait, before you do that, go to line 20 and type in 810. So 16 will turn into 18, 15 will turn it into 17. 16 will turn into 18, 16 will turn into 18, 15 will turn into 17, and then so much more 18s will be coming. This turns into 18, this turns into 18, then you go all the way down to 89, see how many more contestants you need. And if you see here, congratulations, you've just edited this, and you can see black is eliminated. Now, okay, now I have a challenge for you guys. Next video, what quiz should the athletes get? But first, I need to show you some more codes. I will also put in a little poem, which you can read right now. Anyway, so if you do this, black turns into eliminated. You also need to. You also really want to just do something about this. But hey, I'm just gonna save this project. Out YouTube scoring video take 1.1.